gears. That'll be handy. Oh, we should lay out blades too, actually.
Hey guys, this is Delta 9. My good friend Brian and I have decided to build a battle robot. This channel is dedicated to following the building process of our first robot build, codenamed Project Scorpion. Because we are doing this build on a minimal budget, we have aptly named our team Scavengers. We started off by purchasing some metal for the frame and some wheels to get practicing on our fabrication skills and see where things go from there. We're off to a good start budget-wise due to cashier error. We ended up getting some of our material for free. So we haven't done any major designing for the build. We plan on designing on the fly to better learn from our mistakes and successes. Second reason for this is that we will be scavenging hearts and we'll have to make constant adjustments as we go along. We created a frame that is 2 feet by 3 feet and have selected our weapon of choice that will be revealed in a future video of the fabrication process of that weapon. This is basically an introduction video and footage of the first stage of our build. Next we will be adding the motors and controllers to get a drivable frame and build on that. So please like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions or advice, suggestions, anything like that would be fantastic.